First up is the NADO indoor and outdoor tabletop fire pit, an elegant fusion of art and fire. This captivating centerpiece creates a mesmerizing tornado vortex effect, turning ordinary flames into a swirling spectacle. It's ideal for intimate gatherings and can be used both indoors and outdoors. The compact design allows you to move it from room to room, or even take it outside. Plus, it's easy to operate, just add fuel, ignite, and enjoy the stunning vortex of flames. Next, we have the Himaly mini exercise bike, perfect for maintaining your fitness routine in a compact space. This mini bike allows for arm and leg exercises with adjustable resistance levels to target various muscle groups. It's equipped with a multifunctional LCD display that tracks time, calories, and distance, making your workouts more efficient. Its lightweight and portable design ensures you can store it away easily when not in use. The Novete portable countertop dishwasher is a game changer for small kitchens. It offers 2 water supply modes, faucet mode, and a built-in water tank. Despite its compact size, this dishwasher provides 5 wash cycles, including normal, speed, soft, heavy, and fruit. With a built-in dry mode, this multifunctional appliance is not only a dishwasher, but also a dryer and storage cabinet, making it an ideal addition to small apartments. Need extra seating but don't have the space? The IHpaper Kraft paper bench is the solution. This foldable, eco-friendly paper bench can hold up to 300 kilograms and is made from durable Kraft paper with a waterproof membrane. Despite weighing just 6.3 kilograms, it can be easily folded and transported, making it perfect for flexible seating arrangements. Its space-saving design and long lifespan make it an excellent choice for tiny apartments. For a smart solution to optimize space, the Lenart Meble Murphy bed with sofa is a must-have. Perfect for studio apartments or small living rooms, this sofa bed combo allows you to seamlessly transform your living room into a full-size bedroom in seconds. With 5 color options available, it blends effortlessly into any interior, offering both style and functionality. If you have multiple devices and limited outlets, the Satechi multi-device charging station is a lifesaver. This compact station allows you to charge up to 5 devices simultaneously, including a Qi wireless charging slot, 2 USB-C PD ports, and 2 USB-A ports. It helps declutter your workspace or nightstand by keeping all your electronics in one organized spot. The SONGMICS 30-inch folding storage Ottoman bench is a multi-purpose piece of furniture ideal for small spaces. It offers a 21.1-gallon storage capacity for items like bed linens, books, or clothing, while also functioning as a seat or footrest. Its strong MDF frame can hold up to 660 pounds, and the padded top ensures comfort when sitting. Best of all, it can be folded and stored when not in use. The Sperax Walking Pad is perfect for those who want to stay active, but don't have space for a full-size treadmill. This under-desk treadmill features a 2.5 horsepower motor and can support up to 320 pounds. Its compact design and transport wheels make it easy to store under a sofa or bed. The LED display allows you to track your progress, and it operates quietly, making it perfect for home and office use. The swivel mount bike storage rack helps you save valuable floor space by allowing you to store your bike flat against the wall. The heavy-duty rack is built from industrial-grade steel and supports up to 50 pounds, making it ideal for storing road bikes, mountain bikes, or e-bikes. Its swiveling feature allows you to lock it in place or rotate it for easy access. For space optimization in your living room or bedroom, the TOPSKY electric adjustable ceiling TV mount is perfect. This mount fits 32 to 70-inch TVs and can be raised or lowered with a remote control for easy height adjustments. It's an excellent solution for rooms where wall or floor space is limited, allowing you to fold the TV up to the ceiling when not in use. The Tonale sofa from Resource Furniture brings a sleek, modern reinvention to the traditional sofa wall bed. Designed to maximize both style and functionality, the Tonale is available with an optional motorized power feature, allowing you to effortlessly open or close the bed in under 15 seconds with just the push of a button. Equipped with a silent motor and advanced automatic safety sensors, including obstacle detection, this sofa bed combines convenience with peace of mind. Its queen-sized Italian mattress ensures exceptional comfort, making the Tonale a perfect solution for creating a guest room at a moment's notice. Keep your workspace cool with the TriPole Desk Fan, a small but powerful USB-powered fan with 3-speed settings. It's compact, with a 360-degree adjustable head, making it ideal for small desks, nightstands, or workstations. With its stable base and long USB cord, this fan is perfect for personal use in tight spaces. The SONGMICS clothes rail is a sturdy and space-saving option for hanging clothes in small apartments. With 90 kilogram weight capacity and two 100 centimeter hanging rails, it provides ample space for clothing, while the side crossbars offer storage for accessories like hats and bags. Its caster wheels make it easy to move around, and the lockable design ensures stability when needed. The LEVO rolling laptop workstation is perfect for those who work from home or enjoy reading and sketching in bed. This workstation extends over your chair, couch, or bed, allowing you to work comfortably in any position, whether sitting, standing, or lying down. Its V-shaped base ensures stability, and the quick lever height adjustments allow you to switch positions easily. Next up is the Amba Jeeves 12-bar towel warmer, a touch of luxury that will elevate your bathroom experience. Imagine stepping out of the shower and wrapping yourself in a warm, dry towel or bathrobe every time. This towel warmer not only dries and warms towels, but it also helps reduce laundry frequency by keeping them fresh longer. With 12 heated bars, it's perfect for drying towels, jackets, bathing suits, and more. It's compact yet powerful, taking only 20 to 30 minutes to heat up and providing warmth and comfort in any small space. This automatic pop-up socket is an excellent space-saving power solution for tiny apartments. It features wireless charging and multiple outlets for charging your phone, laptop, and other devices, all while keeping your workspace or kitchen counter neat and organized. It mounts directly into a grommet hole on desks or countertops, helping you make full use of your available space. The Conair Steam Stylist is a 3-in-1 garment care solution perfect for small apartments. This device allows you to steam, press, and iron your clothes in one easy-to-use gadget. With its 360-degree steam and press technology, it tackles wrinkles quickly and efficiently, saving you time. It's designed for versatile use, so you can iron horizontally, vertically, or at any angle. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to store or take with you on the go. The CouchConsole is the ultimate sofa companion for anyone living in a small space. It keeps your essentials like drinks, snacks, remotes, and gadgets organized and within reach. Featuring a self-balancing cup holder and modular design, you can customize the layout to suit your needs. There's even a USB-C charging port so you can keep your devices powered up while you relax. It's perfect for the living room, bedroom, or even for use in your car or RV. The AFI Deerfield Murphy bed chest offers a brilliant way to save space without compromising on comfort. This chest unfolds into a queen-sized bed with a memory foam mattress, transforming your living room or office into a guest bedroom in seconds. It features a built-in charging station with USB ports, so you can easily charge your devices while resting. The bed tucks away into a stylish chest when not in use, offering storage and functionality in one compact piece. Next, we have the VIVO Underdesk Sliding Drawer, perfect for organizing your workspace in a small apartment. This 33-inch steel drawer provides ample space for papers, office supplies, or even a keyboard. It mounts under your desk, keeping your work essentials hidden but easily accessible. The smooth sliding mechanism and sturdy construction ensure a wobble-free setup that's designed to last, all while helping you maximize space. The Plantone Smart Garden brings the joys of gardening to even the smallest apartment. This space-efficient indoor garden uses regular soil and features sub-irrigation technology, meaning you only need to water it once a month. Grow up to 5 plants, including herbs, vegetables, or flowers, with automated LED lighting and self-watering functions. It's the perfect eco-friendly solution for fresh, pesticide-free produce right in your kitchen. The EAVE vacuum window cleaning machine makes cleaning windows in a small apartment quick and easy. This device features strong suction and a silicone squeegee blade, leaving no streaks or scratches. With a 45-minute battery life and a 200 milliliter water tank, it's designed for efficient cleaning. Simply spray, wipe, and vacuum the dirty water without worrying about drips or streaks. Plus, its cordless, lightweight design makes it easy to handle and store. For a home theatre experience in your tiny apartment, the Elephas mini projector is a great choice. Despite its compact size, it supports 1080 pixels HD projection and can project images up to 200 inches. It's perfect for watching movies, gaming, or streaming your favorite shows. With multiple ports, including USB, HDMI, and AV, it's compatible with various devices, from laptops to smartphones. The built-in speaker provides excellent sound quality, and its portable design means you can use it indoors or outdoors. The Ember coffee mug ensures your coffee stays at the perfect temperature for up to 80 minutes on a full charge. You can even customize the temperature using the Ember app. Whether you're working from home or enjoying a quiet morning, this smart mug will keep your drink warm without the need for constant reheating. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys a cozy morning in a small space. The iVac Pro touchless vacuum is ideal for small apartments where space is limited, but cleanliness is essential. Simply sweep dirt and debris toward the infrared sensors, and the vacuum will automatically suck it up. It's powerful, with a 1400-watt motor, making it perfect for high-traffic areas like kitchens or entryways. With high-efficiency filters, it keeps the air clean, making it great for homes with pets or allergies. The Honecher G20 is a robot vacuum and mop combo designed to save time and effort in your cleaning routine. Equipped with a 450 milliliter dust box and a 250 milliliter water tank, this vacuum allows for both vacuuming and mopping simultaneously, reducing cleaning time by up to 30%. It boasts a powerful 4,000 Pascal Japanese Nidec motor, which ensures that it picks up all kinds of dirt and debris from both carpets and hard floors. With intelligent gyroscope navigation, the G20 offers 4 cleaning modes: zigzag, fixed point, edge, and random. It also comes with a built-in fall prevention sensor, making it a smart and reliable cleaning tool for your home. This Gorilla Grip Shoe Organizer is the perfect space-saving solution for storing your shoes. It hangs over the door and holds up to 40 pounds of items. Made from durable, non-woven fabric with breathable mesh pockets, it helps prevent odors and keeps dust at bay. The organizer's slip-resistant hooks ensure it stays securely in place, making it easy to keep your shoes and small accessories neatly organized and within reach. The Haryana Tech Smart Ultimate Bed is the ultimate space-saving solution for tiny apartments. This high-tech bed includes a massage chair, Bluetooth speakers, a bookshelf, a desk, and a charging station, all in one piece of furniture. The bed's adjustable headrests, hidden ottoman, and massage chaise ensure maximum comfort. It's made from durable pine wood and is available in multiple leather colors, allowing you to customize it to suit your space. With everything you need in one place, this bed is the ultimate all-in-one relaxation and productivity center. The Huano portable lap desk is ideal for working from the comfort of your couch or bed. Designed to fit laptops up to 15.6 inches, it comes with an anti-slip wrist pad, a tablet holder, and a storage pocket for convenience. The cushioned pillow base conforms to your lap, providing comfort and stability during extended use. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for those who need a flexible workspace in a small apartment. The Easy Extending Console Table is a versatile piece of furniture that expands from a compact table to a dining table that can seat up to 12 people. It includes a built-in storage compartment for its extension panels, making it easy to expand and store. This space-saving table is perfect for small apartments where space is limited, offering a stylish solution for hosting guests without compromising on space. The Joyboss foldable storage shelves offer a convenient and portable storage solution for tiny apartments. These shelves can be unfolded in just 5 seconds and include 4 universal wheels for easy movement. With a load-bearing capacity of 1,000 pounds, these shelves are perfect for heavy-duty storage. They're made from high-durability metal, and are coated to resist rust and scratches, making them both practical and durable. The Conair 2-burner electric cooktop is a great addition to any small apartment. It features 2 burners, one with 9 power levels and the other with 2 power levels, making it ideal for a variety of cooking tasks. This cooktop includes safety features such as a child lock, auto shutdown, and residual heat warning. The plug-and-play design means no professional installation is required. Its sleek ceramic glass surface is easy to clean, making it a practical and modern addition to your kitchen. This magnetic knife holder offers a stylish and space-saving way to store your kitchen knives. Its powerful magnets securely hold even your largest knives, keeping them within easy reach while freeing up counter space. Made from durable wood with embedded magnets, it's an elegant and functional addition to any small kitchen. The Magic Pants hangers are designed to save valuable closet space. Each hanger can hold up to 5 pairs of pants or other clothing items, maximizing vertical storage and keeping your closet organized. Made from anti-rust stainless steel and high-quality plastic, these hangers are durable and strong enough to hold multiple heavy items without bending or breaking. The Berry Avenue broom holder is perfect for organizing your cleaning supplies and gardening tools. This wall-mounted system includes 5 slots and 6 hooks for storing brooms, mops, rakes, and more. It's ideal for small spaces like kitchens, closets, or garages, helping to keep your apartment tidy and clutter-free. With its weatherproof design, it's also suitable for outdoor use. The Lenart horizontal bunk bed is a great space-saving solution for small rooms. This bed can be easily converted into 2 separate beds in seconds, and it includes removable and washable guardrails for safety. Its slatted base adds durability, making it a functional and compact option for any room where space is at a premium.